Well, back at my house, I got a California king. Okay, maybe it's a twin bed and some roommates. Don't worry, we're cool. I heard you like magic. I got a wand and the rabbit. So baby, let's get freaky, get kinky. Let's make this bed get squeaky, baby. Why don't you come over? Red wine supernova falling into me. And I don't care that you're a stoner. Red wine supernova fall right into me. Alright. Magandang gabi. Dito nga tayo sa DMCS After Hours. Say hi guys, say hi.
Hi!
Ayun! Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hep hep!